What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to cook meat and fish in Atlas. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and let me know. As with any cooking system, you first need materials. This is a basic guide that will just focus on cooking meat from animals, as there's more complex recipes later in the game. Once you've killed your animal, you need to harvest it for resources, using a pickaxe or a hatchet, whichever gets you more of the resources you need. A hatchet will get you more food, whereas a pickaxe lets you utilize the bones of the animal for more crafting possibilities. Once you've got your fill of meat or fish, you will need to build a campfire. In your inventory, select to build it and place it on the ground. Once your campfire is built, place all of your uncooked meat onto the campfire by opening its inventory with E. The order you place is the order it is cooked, so if you want your fish cooked first, place it into the inventory first. Next, you will need to place fuel on the fire. Wood is the most common and accessible fuel on the starting islands. Place enough fuel to keep it going for a while. 20 to 30 logs should do it. Then select light fire. This will light the fire and cook the food over time. Be careful, even on PvE servers, people are able to interact with your campfire and take any items from its inventory. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.